thanks for joining me. Travis from the Knife Joker. Today coming at you with, well, some pens. No, not knives, pens. This time from Chaves Knives Ultramar line. Yes, designed by Ramon Chaves and manufactured by Riot Knives. Here come these 3 versions of the titanium pins. Get these out right here. 2 bolt action versions, and then the one screw top. Let's check this screw on version first. Got that Ramon Chaves signature clip on the little pin. And yeah, I've EDC'd one of these for a few days, and that works pretty well. In and out of your pocket. Of course, this twist-off pin, twist-off cap, comes right off. And also now, you can put it on the back. Of course, it does make your pin a little bit longer. But yeah, it gives you a place to set your pin. Check out that front of this titanium pin. You see that washer right there, making these seal up just perfect. These threads made by Riot feel great. And yeah, this pin does come apart in a lot of places. It comes apart here, here, here. Oh yeah, it does have an insert in there. Check out this insert as well. Got that Schmidt Easy Flow 9000M in Germany, yeah. These are great writing inserts. Has that spring, once again with the small rubber bushing. It's making these things super smooth. I load that back up through my camera. Yeah, those threads on the titanium springs down. That feels pretty good. Also comes apart right here, by the way. Do you believe? Yep. Once again, a little tiny washer. Oh, no washer. But yeah, smaller threads on that part. Put this cap back on. The threads on that baby. So, with the cap on, these being almost the exact same length, check out one of these bolt action versions. Once again, that Ramon clip. These bolt action versions being pretty easy to deploy, even with my left hand here, and I'm not left-handed. Could be a new fidget toy for you if you're not careful, and, well, gonna act as a nice pin as well. These ones coming apart in one spot only, right down here. You see that long titanium tube sticking all the way up inside the other titanium tube there. And once again, we have the Easy Flow Schmidt 9000. Back in there. Yeah, just everything. Taking these apart, putting them back together, just super easy with these threads. Seems just real easy. Of course, if you want to modify that clip or take that clip off for any reason, that small Torx head right there on the back of the knife. These now, back of the knife. Ha! Boy, I made a lot of knife videos. The back of the pen. Yeah, these pens being somewhat regular sized, kind of. About 4.5, 4.6 inches long and 1/2 inch wide. There's a Knife Joker pin. Beside that, here's another Sharpie. That Sharpie little side-by-side action. Check out also this dimpled titanium version of the bolt action. 3 versions here. So which version is your favorite? Go ahead and leave in the comments. Would you want the dimpled? Just the straight bead blast? Or that cool screw on top? If you do like what you see here on the channel, please like this video and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Leave a comment down below. Which version would you pick up?